Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix washing machine error code E21. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So error code E21 commonly indicates a draining problem encountered by various washing machines, models including like Kenmore. Now failure to drain may stem from several factors. Block drain pump filter. So debris or objects obstructing the drain pump filter can hinder water drainage. Now faulty drain pump. The drain pump itself may be defective or experiencing malfunctions. Or third reason, blocked drain hose. A previously mentioned blockage within the drain hose could impede water flow. Now in this case, there are going to be some steps that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is you need to unplug your machine. Prioritize safety by disconnecting the washing machine from the power source before proceeding with any maintenance. Now, number 2, you need to inspect the drain hose. Besides vacuuming the drain tube, carefully examine it for kinks, bends, or any other blockages. Detach your hose from the washing machine's ear and thoroughly inspect its entire length to ensure unobstruct flow. Now, number 3, check the drain pump filter. Many Kenmore models features an accessible drain pump filter, usually located behind the small door or flap near the machine's bottom front. Open this door to access the filter. Remove it either by unscrewing or pulling and meticulously check for debris or blockages. Clean the filter thoroughly before reinstalling it. Next step, inspect the drain pump. If the filter and hose are clear yet the issue persists, the drain pump itself may be the culprit. Accessing the pump might require dismantling more parts of the machine depending on its specific model. Now, if you're uncomfortable doing so, proceed cautiously, otherwise consider seeking guidance from a technician or referring to the user manual. Now, number 5, reassemble and test. After completing the checks and clearing any blockages, reassemble any removed components and reconnect the machine to power. Now run a brief cycle to determine if the error persists, and if it does, there might be more significant underlying issues requiring professional intervention. Remember, if you're uncertain about your abilities or encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to enlist the help of a qualified technician. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.